This is a project file from PDFill Editor. It is not a PDF yet. You cannot send this to a printer. You must open it in the editor and export it to a final PDF. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's export it. As a quick preventative measure, I always recommend having a dedicated universal file viewer ready. This kind of tool can often bypass basic PFL corruption. We will discuss my top recommendation again later in the tutorial. Your system's file manager identifies the PFL primarily as a data file type. The final archival is processed via the profile tax data method. A PFL file is associated with PDFill PDF Editor, a Windows application used for creating, editing, and manipulating PDF documents. The PFL file stores project data, including the layout, text, images, and other elements within a PDF document being worked on in PDFill. It may also refer to a plot file. PFL files are proprietary to PDFill PDF Editor and contain structured data representing the project's state. The internal format is not publicly documented, and the files are typically only accessible and editable within the PDFill software. The plot file contains data for plotting graphs or charts, often in a text-based format. The PFL format operates under the official standard set by PDFill PDF Editor from Plotsoft. Native Windows tools are insufficient for viewing all the file's raw data. Windows gives a simple file-level view, but understanding the data requires specialized software. Let's check which applications associate the file. Right-click your PFL file and click Open with. Test with PDFill PDF Editor if available. If not, just choose another program from the installed list and see if it works. If the PFL file won't open, don't panic. Due to the specificity of the PFL format, we can't skip verification. I need you to check off these crucial steps before we attempt the solution. First, source PDF relinking. If the file opens but appears blank, the source PDF has likely been moved or renamed. Place the original PDF back into its original folder, or use the relink prompt to point the PFL project to the correct file path. Next, OneDrive Cloud Sync Fix. If you see .mp4.pfl or .movepfl, this is an incomplete sync. Remove the PFL extension manually or wait for your cloud software, like OneDrive or Dropbox, to finish downloading the actual media file. Finally, final PDF generation. To share this file with others, you must use the Save as PDF function within PDFill. A PFL cannot be viewed by Adobe Acrobat or web browsers. It must be converted into a standard PDF format first. When every installed app fails to open the PFL file, the only practical next step is a specialized tool designed for resistant formats. It's worth trying. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend File Magic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. I truly appreciate your support. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.